Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our famous garlic Parmesan chicken wings. We had a taste for some of this for the Super Bowl, but we're going to do it again. This is a short version of it, but you have our full recipe on our YouTube channel. But we go ahead and brown our chicken wings as shown here. We just added just a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. Okay, now after it's done, we kind of take it out, make sure it's browned really beautiful and nice and evenly, and then we making sure, remember, it's not seasoned that much, and we want it to dry just a little bit because we're going to add on the wet sauce of the garlic Parmesan dressing that goes on it. Okay, so this is the fast way of doing it. We have some fresh Parmesan into it and also some garlic chunks in our little sauce as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and thick and everything. But go to our YouTube channel and see that. Now here we go. Okay, now we got the garlic Parmesan sauce here, and we have some fresh garlic in there as well. So we're going to toss this around too. Whoopsie! Somebody going to get lucky with that one on the floor. We're going to throw that one away. But anyway, here we go. Hard to toss it one hand here. Okay, now we're going to flip it over. Oh yeah, we're going to flip this over. Look at that. Okay, look delicious, everybody. Look at that. Homemade garlic. We went to Wingstop the other day on the road trip, and on the road trip they were talking about like $15 for like about 7 pieces or something like that. I was like, oh heck, no, we're gonna go by the store and get us some wings, and we're gonna go home and make our own. That's what we're doing. Look at that. Look at that. Wing who? Dude, this is granny style. Look at that. Just look at now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it one more time. Look at this. That's going to be perfect for the game day. All right, you guys. If you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button below, you guys. And hit that notification bell because we have a lot more that is going to be coming soon. Now, just like Cooking with Granny, this is what it looks like in the end. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? It tastes just mouth-watering and just simply delicious. Savors and everything's going all throughout. It just makes you want to slap somebody. Now, go ahead and follow us on YouTube for the full recipe, and we will see you guys soon. You guys have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching.